XRP is set to lead all cryptocurrencies in the next bull run in terms of its price performance. There is a noted crypto educator, and I want to talk about it in this video because he thinks XRP is set to lead all cryptocurrencies in the next bull run. But it's not for the reasons you're probably thinking. Now, he gives 3 of his reasons as to why he thinks this. Some of them are controversial, and the fact that this guy even says XRP is going to be one of the ones to lead is controversial when you find out who it is. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind, and right now on this channel we are talking about cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all these topics interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Late Night Grind community, and if you do a couple things, I'd appreciate it. Smash the thumbs up button and watch this video all the way to the end. Those are some of the best things you can do to support a YouTube channel, so if you do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 specific reasons he points out as to why he feels XRP is going to lead the cryptocurrency world in the next bull run, which of course I believe and many others are believing that it's going to be very soon. Some have already started to believe that it's already begun. Others say next year, sometime around the halving, or maybe slightly after. This big uptrend in the market is going to start big time. Okay, so who am I talking about? This is a noted cryptocurrency educator / analyst known as Virtual Bacon. And if you know him from the social media world, you know that for a long time he was a noted XRP hater, XRP detractor. Now, in an article that I was reading about this, he was mainly talking about his feelings about the centralization of XRP, or so he thought. Now, if you watch this channel or many others that cover XRP, you know that centralization is really no longer an issue, as that has been debunked many times. The other issue he was never a fan of XRP was because of the price suppression that's been going on, and he felt like it was never going to come out of that. Now, that would be his first point as to why he thinks XRP is actually going to lead in the next bull run. Price suppression. Now, Blockchain Backer, who is a crypto analyst, did a great video about a year to a year and a half ago, I believe, on why the price suppression of XRP was going on, specifically with what the SEC was doing in their case versus Ripple, and how that price suppression actually held XRP back from essentially skyrocketing in the last bull run. And from a technical perspective, he's absolutely right. Now, Virtual Bacon essentially agrees with Blockchain Backer because he said XRP has not reached its all-time high in 5 years. It's essentially missed out on the last bull run, and now that it is the one and only cryptocurrency to have regulatory clarity in the United States, he feels that it's going to absolutely have a rubber band effect, and that XRP is right now spring-loaded, ready and waiting for some major price movements in this next bull run. Now, before I get into the other 2 reasons as to why he feels XRP is about to explode in the next bull run, I wanted to take your attention to Fairdesk, and that is the partner of this Late Night Grind YouTube channel. Fairdesk is where I have been doing some copy trading, and if you're not sure what copy trading is, it is where you can allow people like me or some other incredible traders on Fairdesk, which is a crypto exchange that is United States friendly. Right now it has no KYC, and you can go and sign up for free, deposit your cryptocurrencies, and you can set your account to follow either myself or other copy traders, and when we actually make trades, it will make the same trade from your account, so you can make positive trades or potentially lose money with us as well. Now, there is a link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up and deposit from that link. And again, this is a partner of the Late Night Grind YouTube channel. Wanted to put that out there, full disclosure, since this is a sponsored partnership, but you can go on and check out some of my statistics and some of my trades. You can also follow some other incredible traders there as well. And if you don't know what copy trading is, I will link up here in the information card to a full tutorial I did on how to get set up with copy trading or start doing your own trading. Now, of course, full disclosure, none of this is financial advice. There is risk involved, and it is all for entertainment and education. But I did want to note, in one of my last trades, I did over 121% trade on an XRP long. So if you want to jump on board and follow some of my trades or some of the other traders, or of course do it on your own where you will experience some lower trading fees than some of the other exchanges, go ahead and sign up for Fairdesk. Link in the description below. Full tutorial in the link in the information card. Okay, so now let's talk about reason number 2 why Virtual Bacon thinks XRP is going to lead the cryptocurrency world very soon. And that being what he feared the most, in that Ripple was actually going to dump on the market. Now, a lot of the Bitcoin maxis, a lot of people in the crypto market that are not XRP fans keep saying the same thing, that Ripple is going to dump on the market. In fact, Ripple keeps dumping on the market is what they say. Well, the fact that Ripple has been locking up 70 to 80% of the escrows that it releases shows that they're not dumping on the market. Because how that actually works is the escrow, which releases 1 billion XRP per month, the escrow that is not bought up, most of which by their ODL customers, is of course relocked back into the smart contract, which controls the XRP. It is not sold out into the market. It is not dumped on exchanges. In fact, they haven't been doing that since 2019. So according to him, seeing that Ripple isn't dumping on the market and are actually prudently holding XRP in its reserves, specifically for the advancement of the XRP ecosystem, controlling the stabilization of the ecosystem, the XRP ledger, liquidity, things of that nature, leads him to believe that XRP is going to be one of the front runners. Now, finally, his reason number 3 is a bit controversial, and in my opinion, he's right, but it's still controversial. He believes XRP is going to be one of the front runners, or if not the front runner, because of Ripple's work with central bank digital currencies and what they're hoping to do by bringing on central banks, by bringing on countries, and by bringing on projects that are essentially creating stable coins pegged to the US dollar, deemed central bank digital currencies, on to the XRP ledger. Now, it's very controversial because central bank digital currencies are essentially a 4-letter word if you believe in any kind of freedom, and it's very scary when you talk about the programmable money aspects of what is actually possible with it. Now, there's a lot of other factors going on and being talked about right now, specifically around central bank digital currencies, and the fact that there are many countries and even organizations that are lining up to talk to Ripple about pilot programs regarding stablecoins and central bank digital currencies. Now, stablecoins don't sound as bad. Central bank digital currencies do. And as information continues to leak out about all the different projects I'm going to be covering on this channel, how that could affect the XRP ledger, the XRP ecosystem, and in fact, how it could expand the use of XRP. So this, along with, in my opinion, Ripple getting its clarity in terms of what XRP is, and that is a non-security digital asset, and all of the other ones that he mentioned before, there's going to be a lot of others that are going to be saying the same thing. Even the most fervent XRP detractors are most likely going to turn into XRP believers, whether they like it or not, in terms of its price movement. Now, whether they stand for what Ripple is doing on the back end, that's a completely different story. But the XRP ecosystem itself is actually decentralized. It's unbelievable, it's unbelievably stable, and it's growing very fast. And so for those reasons, I believe that he is absolutely correct. Now, whether XRP actually leads the crypto market, or is it just going to be one of the top 5, well, we'll have to see. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Is XRP going to lead this market? Now take all of the stuff that you've learned about XRP over the past couple of years and kind of put it aside and compare it to some of the rest of the crypto world, just like Virtual Bacon did, and the fact that he thinks some of the large cap ones have already pumped, or some of them are actually fading into illegitimacy, whereas XRP is in the news constantly. Yes, the SEC is probably appealing one of the decisions by Judge Torres in the case versus Ripple, but no, they are not appealing the fact that XRP is a non-security digital asset. In fact, in their latest appeal motion, they already admitted as such that XRP is in fact not a security. They are not challenging or appealing that fact. They're simply going after some of the sales that Ripple had made in an attempt to get, well, more money out of Ripple. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You can always follow me on Twitter. There is a link to my Twitter account below, as well as the copy trading on Fairdesk. And don't forget to go sign up for your account and follow me or some of the amazing other traders on there as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.